A joint team of BSF and the Manipur police recovered 2.357 kg of WI tablets from a couple in Lilong, Hangam Thabi today. Acting on an input provided by Youth Against Drug and Alcohol Manipur, in short Yadam and FGT Imphal, the team comprising of 164 BSF battalion, 18 BSF battalion led by Deputy Commanding Officer Krishan Kumar along with Additional SP Operation, Deputy Superintendent, Headquarter, Officer in Charge Thobal Commando and team of Lilong Police carried out the search operation at the residence of one Makakmayum Mustaraf and managed to recover those contraband items. The team also arrested Makakmayum Mustaraf, aged 27 years, son of late M. Ajit Khan, and his wife Ruhani, aged 25 years. The combined team also recovered 2,04,800 rupees in cash, 6 mobile phones and other relevant IDs from their possession. An FIR has been registered in connection with the incident and further investigations have been initiated.